Hey, just a quick coffee break. There was news that OpenAI is about to acquire Windsurf, which is a AI developer tool, for $3 billion. Cool, $3 billion. Which is quite a big news, since OpenAI is the biggest and most beautiful AI company at the moment. It's the hottest thing around the block. And especially considering Cursor, which is the competing AI developer tool, currently the biggest one, previously has raised money with 2.6 billion valuation, and just lately, or just recently, raised more money with a neat $9 billion valuation. And on top of that, we have GitHub Copilot, which is obviously owned by Microsoft, aka because it's a part of Visual Studio brand, and Microsoft being worth easy $3.2 trillion. So a lot of money is currently going into the AI development tools market, so to speak. So don't expect things to cool down. This amount of money and resources pouring into a single task of software development is bound to have a significant impact, especially with the whole advent of AI developer tools and all the agents and stuff. So expect things to accelerate still.